Good afternoon, all. So, in previous lecture, we had discussed about the two diseases, G6PD and DMD, Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. Now, let us discuss with some chromosomal mutation or disorders. You had learned with this that in the 21st chromosomal trisomy, that condition is known as Down's syndrome. Now, Edward syndrome. In that 18th chromosomal trisomy. Then Patau syndrome. It is known as 13th chromosomal trisomy. And another disease, Cry-du-Chat syndrome. Okay, Cry-du-Chat syndrome, or known as cat-cry syndrome. In this, the baby is just crying like a cat. Here, Cry-du-Chat syndrome or cat-cry syndrome, it is due to deletion of short arm of fifth number of chromosome. Fine. So here it is related to the deletion. Same way, Philadelphia syndrome. Deletion of long arm. Of 18th number of chromosome. Here the chances of survival is very less. Another, sex chromosomal aneuploidy, You know that change in the number of the sex chromosome, you know that now you know that aneuploidy, it means change in the number of chromosome in particular pair. So in previous lecture we had learned about that monosomy, nullisomy, monosomy, nullisomy, trisomy and tetrasomy. Monosomy means in one pair of chromosome. In one pair of chromosome, only one chromosome is present. That is known as monosomy. Instead of two, one is there. Nullisomy, trisomy and tetrasomy. So aneuploidy, this is known as aneuploidy, but actually aneuploidy, it is divided into two parts. If the aneuploidy is seen in autosomes, so it is known as autosomal aneuploidy. Okay, and if it is seen in the sex chromosome, known as sex chromosomal aneuploidy. So here two things are there: Superman or Jacobs syndrome. Superman or Jacobs syndrome, it means 44 plus XYY. In 23rd pair, instead of XY chromosome, another Y chromosome is present. So it is seen the ratio is very low. The incidence is 1 out of 100 live born male, super female or multi-X female. So here in super female or multi-X females, 44 plus XXX. Okay, and incidence in 1 of 1200 live born females. So this is about the another information related to the chromosomal disorders. Now let us discuss the common diseases in human. dysentery. We had learned the common disease in the human, that typhoid, pneumonia, malaria, ascariasis, amoebiasis, and elephantiasis, ringworm, like that. But apart from that, all disease, fine. Dysentery. Shigellosis. Here dysentery એટલે મરડો કહેવાય. Actually it is caused by Shigella dysentery. Here abdominal pain is there, and the transmission of the pathogen through the fecal matters, fine. Plague. Next is plague. Plague, it is known as Black Death. It is commonly occurred due to the rat bite. Diphtheria. Diphtheria caused by bacteria, and here majority death occur due to suffocation. And due to suffocation the death occur, and here diphtheria diagnosed by stick test. Barabar. So to control the diphtheria, we have DPT vaccine right now. Previously I told to you that DPT vaccine, diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. Now tetanus. Lockjaw. Generally, when we are coming in contact with iron and its products, iron is introduced inside the body, okay, and stretching of the facial muscles, that is known as lockjaw tetanus, TT. Chikungunya, caused by chikungunya virus, and in virus ssRNA is there. Okay, so you know that chikungunya caused by virus, and here the carrier insect is mosquito. Aedes aegypti mosquito. Dengue fever. Here, dengue fever, also known as breakbone fever, mainly symptoms are severe frontal headache, heaviest headache is there, and bleeding from nose, mouth and the gums. Hepatitis B, caused by hepatitis B virus, and in hepatitis B virus, this is the virus but it has dsDNA. Okay, and hepatitis B, severe liver damage and jaundice. As well as here transmitted through placenta, it is STD or VD or RTI, whatever. Commonly sprayed by using the contaminated needles of the affected patient. Fine. Now, malaria. You know that in malaria, generally protozoal infection is there, and you know that Plasmodium protozoa are affected there. Fine. But first of all, what happened? That Plasmodium in the form of sporozoite. First they are introduced inside our body through mosquito bite, that is female Anopheles mosquito, and then sporozoites travel towards the liver through blood circulatory system, and then it damages the liver, coming outside of the liver and affect the RBC. It breaks the RBC and breaks the hemoglobin, converted into heme and globulin. So here in malaria, hemozoin toxic substance fine is responsible for chill and high fever. Fine. So you know that first of all liver is affected, then RBCs are affected there, and heme is converted into hemozone, the very poisonous substance. Here in malaria, two hosts are there. Human being is primary host. And majority responsible for asexual reproduction. Especially we say that multiple fission. So majority here two hosts are there. Human being is a primary host, and in human being asexual reproduction occurs, that is multiple fission. As a result, multiple copies of Plasmodium form and gametes are formed. Female Anopheles mosquito is secondary host for sexual reproduction. Now another point, you know that the female Anopheles mosquito also acts as a vector for the Plasmodium. Okay, so female Anopheles mosquito has two functions. First is acts as a vector, and second is acts as a secondary host for sexual reproduction. Now you know that Okay. Culex petegen mosquito. It's a carrier or vector for filarial worm, filariasis, also known as Wuchereria or known as Wucheria bancrofti, filarial worm. Fine. Another point. Aedes aegypti mosquito, it is responsible for transfer the chikungunya and dengue fever from one person to another person. Gambusia fish is larvicidal fish for mosquito. Larvicidal means kill the larva of the mosquito. So when mosquitoes are grown at a large scale, fine, at that place we have to cultivate the Gambusia fish. As a result, larva can be killed by this mosquito. And the last point, in pneumonia, in pneumonia due to oxygen death, the lips and nails of fingers become blue to purplish in color. And this sign is known as cyanosis. So here I can stop now. Fine.